Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Colorado sales tax account. So let's get started. First of all, open your browser and in the search bar, type in Colorado. Go/revenue online. It will take you to the revenue page of Colorado Department of Revenue. In this page, you can see the login portal. Over here, enter your username of the account and in the password section, enter your password. To form your password, you can click on this eye icon over here. And once you do that, click on the login button. You should be able to log into your Colorado sales tax account. In case if you guys forgot your login credentials, you can click here Forgot Username or Password to reset it. And if you want to create a new account on Colorado sales tax, you can click here Sign up to create an account. So that's all for this video. This is how you can log into your Colorado sales tax account. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon for the latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.